Hello everyone, welcome to Len Guitar. Myself Varun. In this video we will be seeing a tutorial for the song Oru Daivem Thantha Poovae from the Tamil song. So I hope you can learn from this tutorial. So the starting bit start from this note in the first string, which is E. Nenjil jil 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 jil, that is the lyrics of the song. So E, E, F, E. So it's little complicated. So many notes are coming in this Nenjil jil 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 jil. So total notes coming are E, F, G, D and C sharp. So this 5 notes are coming in this Nenjil jil jil part. Nenjil is actually E, F, E, G, F. E, F, E, G, F. But we are playing like this. So one strike, 4 note. So E, F, E, G. 4 notes are playing for a single strike like this. And again at F. Jil. Jil 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 is actually is E, D, E and D, C sharp, D. Jil 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 Nenjil. Nenjil is actually E, F, E, G and F. So 2 strike first at E and then playing this 4 note E, F, E, G and second strike at F. So jil 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 is actually E, F, E, sorry, E, D, E. So E, D, E. 2 strike. 2 strike and 3 notes we are playing. Jil, 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 jil. For both that jil, jil part we are playing 3 notes each. But 2 strike, 3 notes. That is a pattern. Jil 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 ka dil jil 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 Kannathil. That Kannathil Muttamittal is Kannathil is B, C sharp, D. B, B, C sharp. Muttamittal is D, E, C sharp, D. Muttamittal. So if you are playing all together, it will be like this. Kannathil Muttamittal ni ende. That part is ni ende. This is C sharp, D, C sharp, B. C sharp, D, C sharp, B. Kannathil Muttamittal ni ende. Kannathil Muttamittal. Again we are playing the same pattern. And next is the Pallavi that is starting here. Oru Daivem. So that is in the 3rd string, this fret, that is 7th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret. the note is D. Oru. So here in the third string itself we can play D, E, or else you can play E note in the second string 5th fret. So third string 7th fret is this one, that is D, and second string 5th fret is E. Even this 9th fret in the third string is also E. Oru Daivem. You can play like this, Oru Daivem, or else you can play in the second and third string. Third string, this position, that is 7th position. Second string 5th position. Oru, Oru. That is Oru, Oru Daivem. That Daivam is this one, B, sorry, C and D. Oru Daivem. Thanna, that Thantha Poovae is Thanna is in the second string. This is E and G. Poovae. And again this F, G, F, E is coming. F, G, F, E. Two times we are playing that, and after that Vazhvum, that part. This is G and A. Vazhvum, Vazhvum Urandu Ini, Vazhvum Urandum. Up to that we are playing in the second string 10th fret, which is A. Ni Dane is, so we are plucking from A to this note F, and again E. So A, F, E, F sharp, G. That is A, F, E, F sharp, G. So 10th fret, 10th fret, 13th fret, 12th fret, 14th and 15th fret. Or else you can play that part in the second first string also. This is that part. F, sorry, this is actually B, B, C, C sharp, D. It's not E. Okay, small correction. Ni Dane is this one. Here also you can play, or else you can play in the first string. C, B, C sharp, D. C, B, sorry, C, B, C sharp, D. Two times we are playing that. After that and that part is D. First string 10th fret is D. Ni in E. First string 12th fret. That one I is C, B, C sharp D. C, B, C sharp D. കാറ്റ് പോലെ നീ വന്നായേ ആരുമിരുന്നു നീ വന്നായേ താരമുകുമേ. And again we are playing the Pallavi part. So this note is A, B, and this one is F, G, E and D, and again same part. So this is all about the Pallavi part. So thank you all. Keep learning.